Okay guys, kasama natin ngayon ang birthday celebrant, the one and only. Please introduce yourself.
Yes, I'm Dan Perez. Hi guys.
Okay, kumusta ang naging birthday celebration mo ngayong taon?
First, it's really fun. Yung birthday celebration ng mga fans is really special kasi you can expect na gano'n karami actually kasi akala ko medyo konti lang and friends lang and some supporters pero hindi ko alam na madami pala and I'm really grateful and it's really overwhelming talaga.
Okay. So, may birthday wish ka ba na natupad ngayong taon?
Ngayong taon, like yung last birthday wish ko po.
Okay.
Siguro actually lahat ng wish ko naman parang natupad naman like in terms of my business and my career, my health, financial matters. Naging okay naman and hopefully yung mga wish ko this year will be okay.
Wow, bongga pala, no? Wish come true ang eksena. So, sino ang pinakaunang bumati sa'yo ng happy birthday?
Happy birthday. Ito yata ang assistant ko, si Janice.
Talaga? Wala?
Kasi hindi, actually magkasama kasi kami. So, siya yung unang bumati sa akin.
Oo. Sa bagong edad mo, ano ang goals mo para sa sarili mo?
Sarili ko, syempre, healthier version of myself. Hopefully, good career this year and ano ba? Yeah, happier version of myself.
Okay. Paano ka nagbago kumpara noong nakaraang birthday mo?
Wala naman masyadong difference. Halos same pa lang. Pero, siguro major difference na lang I can say na, ano ba? Difference between my previous self is now, I think I'm happier. I am more self-aware of my worth, of who I really am, and what I really want to do in my life.
Wow, bongga. So ano ang message mo sa future self mo habang sineselebrate mo ang birthday na ito?
Yeah, my message to my future self is you must be really thankful right now because right now at my age I am consistently doing really working hard for you, for your future family, for your future self, and hopefully maging worth it lahat ng mga hard work na gagawin natin.
Wow, that's good to hear. May funny moment ba na nangyari during your celebration?
During my celebration, actually, a lot of things like hindi ko expect na sasayaw ako. Yun yung hindi ko talaga masyadong talent eh. I can sing pero I can't dance.
Kaya si Jollibee kanina.
Kaya nga.
Kaya si Jollibee talaga eh.
Ano ang mensahe mo sa mga taong patuloy na sumusuporta sa iyo?
Just a message to everybody who's still supporting me is, guys, I'm really thankful. Maraming salamat po for believing in me because sometimes I feel like it's too late for me already to like achieve so many things, but because of you, because of your support, I'm still striving to like do more and to like hope for better days for myself, for my career, for so many things.
Wow, talagang very grateful ka. So, gusto malaman ng mga viewers kung may mga upcoming projects ka na dapat nilang abangan.
Actually, I have movies. Yung recently na sunod sa amin is its title is Mancha. I'm a Tita Pilar Pilaki with Miss Diali Di Belen. So it's a thrilling movie and please watch that movie. And upcoming movie ko naman wala pa pero yeah, we'll start our taping like I guess having my shoot sa March 11. So guys, please support and abangan niyo po yung movie na yan.
Pero under ka po ba ng Kapuso Network or any agency? Anong ano ka?
Actually, ngayon, wala pa. Pero may mga nakakausap na tayo pero let's see kung saan tayo.
Wala ka pang nag-sign ng contract. Wala pa. Kasi lumalabas na siya sa mga sa 7, di ba?
Yeah.
So again, we are really proud and binabati ka namin ng happy birthday.
Thank you.
Ayan. Thank you.
Ganda ng Islam.